cover painted. Really good. It's painted, yeah. Look, painted. Really nice finish. Nice. Was a lot of holes here, so I just need one hole this side and two on this side. Two to attach here on the landgear here, and one to put the bolt here on the wheel. That's it. Looks good so far. So there is another things I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do a restoration on this cowl because it doesn't need to for the type of the engine in here now. You don't need to hold these holes here on the side. I don't know, I have no clue. This looks like the plane was come back from the war. Probably was on the war, but with the wrong aircraft. I'm gonna cover everything. What I like to do as well is to drill and screw them. Doesn't matter if it's top or bottom. But what I like to do, so I stick that one in there and it's already I hammer on the top. After I measure right there, look, 1 millimeter and one exactly. So and then after I hammer it, and now I know 100% it will be straight. Just done it the holes here, I drilled the holes, make it a little bit wider. So I got those two on the bottom would be settled in the right height for the cowl and the engine itself. For that to come out on the nose here, where goes the propeller. So now I just need to drill the other one on the top, and I'm using the right drill to drill them. And here is little, this is 6 mil, and here is 4 mil. The size of it, the drill. All done, all painted in green inside. It's just covering now. Just to cover it. Done with the firewall, all glue, all the lead nuts here. I got another small lead nuts there as well to hang the wings here. That's it. All good, just to cover it. Elevators and rudders is already covered. Now just the plane itself. Let's go. Time to start to cover it. lines. Look okay. Let's go, carry on. After a couple of hours of the linkage, everything is done. So I done it individually before course I done it major work because it was terrible before. All line out, really nice. I'm happy with the results on the top here as well, individual here as well, on the other side too. Yep. Okay, let's continue. So I have this, done it. So this section now I can open and see what's going on inside here with the ignition, with the UBC, or with the tank. Anything before didn't have any space to fit your hands from the back here, so you can't. So here I would have all division what I guess you're supposed to have. So next step now, we start to build the engine and make the holes where it should be, put the rods, and that's it. Glasses in place and the switch as well. There is a little tip, you know, sometimes this fuel cap, they are very hard to put it in, and if you are not very careful you can break the balsa. What I advise you, take your drilling with the diamond bit and drill around here, trim it a little bit around, and then they will go nicely and no force. So be careful, don't trim too much, otherwise they're gonna keep losing, but do as good like so. So the glass is installed nice and tight. The front one would be the last one, and I advise you use this canop glue. It's amazing. Look, there is no mark on it. This is the old from the previous owner, like those edges like that, but you cannot see the marks of the glue, which is really nice, and it's glued in place very secure. So nice. Well done. Electronic is done. Let's switch on. Receiver first. Now ignition. Can you see the light there? Off and on. Killing switch. Killing switch. On, off. On, off. Wow. Looks nice and clean now. Tidy. Yeah. All tight the wire. Those two bolts is to hold in case the tank is moving. In case. I don't think so will, because it's very well secured with the zip tires. All nice and hold in place. And the firewall, look the firewall, no holes at all. The only hole I need is for the throttle and the main one. The rest is all nice and tidy. Just to fit the front glass cover up here. This is for the ailerons. Wow. Yeah, love it.